Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Valorant error code VAL5 with some quick and effective steps. This error usually happens due to account or connection issues. First, log out of your Riot account from the client, then close the client completely and restart your PC. After that, open the Riot client again and log in fresh. This often fixes session-related problems. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, and avoid using VPN because it can trigger this error. Now, run the Riot client as administrator to avoid permission issues. Also, make sure your firewall or antivirus is not blocking the game, so add Valorant to the exceptions list. If the issue still continues, wait a few minutes and try again, because it can be a temporary server issue. Finally, launch Valorant again and the VAL5 error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.